celebration that we are going to mark tomorrow is the Bubagra birthday. We are very happy and thank God for giving us Rasmata, who has given her only son, our Bubagra, and tomorrow we are marking as a very special day. Bubagra Maharaja's birthday is remarked as one of the very important and remarkable day that we call it Thansa Day. This Thansa Day is given and respected by the all indigenous people of the Thansa, and we are very happy to celebrate this Thansa Day as Maharaja's birthday. This Bubagra birthday won't be celebrated by enjoying, distributing sweets or by enjoying like any other's normal birthday is being celebrated. But tomorrow this birthday as a Thansa Day will be celebrated by visiting the sick people in the hospital, by giving them the food, by giving them the clothes, those people who are clothless, and those people who are suffering from the sickness and diseases, and also particularly those young boys and young girls, those drugs addicted, having HIV/AIDS, those people will be taken care by this Thansa. And here the YTF is taking a lead to take care of all the necessity across the state, and the block and the district wise, every corner of the state is going to celebrate and remark this birthday as a very unique and very historic day, which we will remember in our future. This particular birthday celebrations will set an example to the whole nations of this country that birthday is not meant to expense or spend the enjoying luxurious life or enjoying in other means, but these celebrations we will enjoy by contributing to our level best to our needy people, because needy people need to be taken care by all of us, and we value those needy people and the poor people who really effort to have a single meal in a day. So this particular celebrations will be as unique as I have said, and particularly the Thansa Day will be a remembrance by all the nations and by all the indigenous people across the country, because we wanted to set an example and change the attitude of the people in this country, that birthday celebrations can contribute a new life, not only wishing and celebrating Bubagra as a new life, as a gift of God, but in this particular day, when we give the helping hands, the love and affections to the needy people, will be a new life, will be a new thinking, will be a new idea to change the attitudes of the people in this country. So this particular day, that is tomorrow, 4th July 2022, will be exemplary for the whole nation and for you and for me and for all of us sitting here and for all of us here who are media here. I think by doing that, I think we are going to set an example to the nations, to the people, that yes, we care for everyone. There is a people who need our help, there is a people who need your care, there is a people who need your love and affections. I think this day, 4th July 2022 of Bubagra birthday, of Maharaja's birthday, will be celebrated across the state in this manner. This is how we all came here together. Today morning we had a joint meeting with YTM, with Tipramata, with TWF, and with TEM. All of us have unanimously agreed and promised that we will celebrate and show the example to the nation.